Hi honeybees! Today I'm going to be sharing a fall tag with you guys. I have 16 questions and I got this really cute tag from Lauren and Karen from the Two Orchids. Karen put this tag together with questions that she found on the internet and she tweaked a little bit, and I thought it was so fun and I wanted to be able to share it with you guys too. So if you haven't watched the Two Orchids before, make sure to check out their channel after you watch this video. So I'm gonna get right into it now so this video isn't too long for you guys. The first question is, what 3 things do you love about the autumn season? So first is for sure the cooler weather. I look so forward to this time of year. It finally starts to cool off here in Arizona, mid to late October, and you finally feel that sense of relief and it's like, yes, beautiful weather. It makes me want to go outside more. I absolutely love it. The other thing I love about autumn is that I like to bake and cook a lot more this time of year. I just love those heartier recipes, those really fragrant, yummy baking recipes that just fill your home and just with that sense of warmth. You know what I mean? In the summer I don't really enjoy baking and cooking as much because it's just so hot. So you don't mind that oven's warmth when it gets a little bit cooler temperature-wise. And the third thing I love is the activities along with fall. So pumpkin picking, apple picking, pumpkin carving, baking, and all those fun activities. So number 2 is, what is your favorite scent for the fall season? So I'm going to share 2 candles with you and 2 perfumes. It's going to be no shock to you, to anyone who's followed me for a while. 3-wick candle from Bath & Body in Leaves and Sweater Weather. These are my jams. I actually burn them all year long because I love them so much, but especially in the fall. And Leaves, the notes are crisp red apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. It just is the epitome of fall. I absolutely love this candle. It has the best throw as well. It makes your whole house smell amazing. Sweater Weather, the notes are fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh woods. Oh my god. It's so good. It smells just like a sexy man in a sweater. You've probably heard me say that on more than one occasion. I love it. Next I have 2 fragrances. Now one Karen mentioned on hers. It's Black Opium by YSL. This fragrance is just so beautiful for the fall. It has a little bit a deeper note to it, more womanly, like sexy vibe to it. It's beautiful and it has a great lasting power. And this one, I'm getting near to being done with it. I'm so sad. It's by Nest and it's Midnight Fleur. Oh my gosh. I love it so much and I actually am wearing it today. It's a beautiful fragrance. It kind of has that spiciness to it as well. I'm really bad with telling you about fragrance, but just trust me, they're both amazing. You can find them at Sephora. I'll link everything down below for you guys, so don't worry. Number 3, in the autumn, what do you enjoy most with your partner? So Chris and I, when we first met, it was winter, so we've never had autumn together, but I can't wait to be cuddled up with him on the sofa in like a cozy blanket or by a fire. We're totally gonna go pumpkin picking soon too, and being able to take walks in cool weather, holding hands. There's so much I'm looking forward to, but we love spending time together just like snuggled up on the sofa, and he might be embarrassed if I say this. I don't think he will. He's super warm to the touch. I call him a wolf. So in the summer I'm like, oh babe, it's too hot. But like when it's colder, I just want to snuggle with him, so it's perfect. I can't wait for the cooler weather. Number 4, do you like baking in the autumn season? I adore baking. I love baking over cooking, and I love to make like pumpkin recipes, apple recipes, the recipes that have those spicy clove notes, you know, like allspice kind of scents. Love baking a ton in the autumn. 5, what are your plans for this fall season? So I'm actually going to a wedding next week in the fall for Trisha and Guillermo. I can't wait. It's in California. I'll be going to Disney with my best friend Eliana too when it's all decked out in Halloween. I'm really excited for that too. And I'm also going to be going on our girls weekend again, our YouTuber girls weekend with Toli Tika, the Two Orchids ladies, Kristen Game, Kristen 321. I can't remember if the other ladies are coming. I think that's all of us. But we got to have that trip last year together. We had so much fun. So this year is just going to be super awesome too. Number 6, what is your favorite autumn movies? This is so hard for me. So Nightmare Before Christmas, I watch all the time in October. So I actually watch it in December too, but that's like probably my number one. As well as Hocus Pocus. I mean, how can you not watch Hocus Pocus over and over? It's so good. It's a classic. When Harry Met Sally, there's something about that movie, even though it goes through all the seasons, the autumn part of that movie is just so beautiful, and it just reminds me of like that time of year for some reason. I have a lot more movies that I watch in Christmas time rather than fall, so those are the three that come to mind. Number 7, autumn or spring? In your opinion, what's more romantic? Hands down, autumn. Are you kidding? It's so romantic. It's just like you always want to be like cuddled next to your person, and it's just so snuggly and warm and inviting. Autumn, hands down. Number 8, what's your favorite drinks in the fall season? You guys, I'm super basic. I am a pumpkin spice latte girl at heart. I will always be. But I also love me a chai latte with 2 pumps of pumpkin. Both of these drinks at Starbucks. The pumpkin spice latte at Dunkin' is horrible. I'm sorry if you like it, but I think it is such crap. I hate it. I'm so sorry. Yeah, the pumpkin spice latte at Starbucks, hands down. But I always get less pumps because it's a little overly sweet if you get all the pumps and non-fat milk. But those are my jams for sure. And then, what else do I love? I love apple cider too, but for some reason I like it cold even better than warm. I might be weird. But yeah, I love those. What fashion trend do you prefer in the fall season? Boots, boots and boots, and leggings with the sweaters. I have some booties right here that I love from Target. I also have these longer boots that I love. I love, this is from Shanny Girl, like these poncho-like style wraps. And I love this piece from Torrid. I love like army style, like green like that. Like these kind of sweaters from Victoria's Secret that cover your bum. And the Barefoot Dream sweaters are so, so soft, you guys. They're amazing. And they keep you super warm. So for sure that. What is your favorite food in the fall season? I don't really know. I guess pumpkin pie at Thanksgiving is my favorite. And I just love anything really hearty, like hearty soups and stews and chili. Anything that just makes you feel cozy and warm. I love that. Which place do you love to visit in the autumn season? I love to go to Apple Annie's in Wilcox, Arizona and pick apples. And I love their pumpkin that's not an orchard. Their pumpkin patch. That's the word I was trying to think of, the pumpkin patch. And yeah, just going up north a little bit more into the even cooler weather where you can actually see the changing of the leaves here in Arizona. What is your most loved pumpkin-based food? Pumpkin pie or pumpkin muffins? How much do you love to enjoy the fire in the fall season? I actually probably enjoy it more in the winter than the fall, but I do love it. I love the smell of a crackling fire and toasting marshmallows and just sitting all cozy with your loved one. Do you have any specific traditions to celebrate the fall season? Not really. I guess carving pumpkins is a big tradition in our family, and baking. Going to the pumpkin patch has become a tradition recently, and I really enjoy that. Apple pie or pumpkin pie, what's my favorite? I love both, but dang, I think warm apple pie I would pick over pumpkin pie, especially with some good ice cream on the top melting. And what is your favorite autumn lipstick color? Now I have a ton. I'm going to swatch them all for you here on my hand. So the first one is by Too Faced. They re-released this color, you guys, so you now can get your hands on it again. It's the Gingerbread Man liquid lipstick. It's a matte shade, and it looks quite orange in the tube, but it's actually more of like that brick reddish with a little bit of undertone of brown and orange. It's absolutely beautiful on, and it smells like gingerbread. It smells so good. On my lips right now, I have this Marc Jacobs lip gloss that I love, and Allow Me Enamored. Enamored is the gloss. Allow Me is the color. It's this beautiful mauve shade that I absolutely love. So I put that over a lot of my mauve lipsticks. Mauve lipsticks. I don't know how I said that was funny. I love this NARS lipstick, the Audacious lipstick in Anna. It's just a little bit more cooler toned, and it has like that purpley mauve tone to it. It's a beautiful consistency and it lasts for hours on the lips. I also love these Marc Jacobs lipsticks, and I don't think they get enough attention anymore. The first one I love is Boy Gorgeous, and it's a little bit more of like a berry tone. And then I also absolutely love Infamous, which is a little bit more of a neutral but a deeper. I still love my neutrals, but I just tend to go a little bit darker with them in the fall. I'll make sure to list these all down below for you guys. So that is it for this fall tag. Please let me know your answers down below, or if you're a YouTuber and you end up doing this tag, please link me to it. I would love to see your answers. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now. I just realized I filmed this whole video without my ring on. Not a conspiracy, nothing's going on. I just literally forgot to put my ring on.